Hi, this is Nicole Barlas, Executive Director of Operations at CISA 2. And today I'm going to show you how to request to use the phone booth if you need to use it for a webinar or a small meeting when you're at the Whitewater office. So let's say that I would like to hold a little meeting this afternoon at 3 o'clock in the phone booth. So I click on the calendar to start a new event, and we'll say it's a meeting with Tracy. Then I click on More Options, and I am brought to the event screen, and I can select Rooms, which is next to Guests. I then can select the phone booth, and I can see that it is a room for about 3 people. It's a small office with a door for private phone calls or webinars, and so I click on that to select it. And then I can click on Save to save the event. And now I have booked the phone booth and I'm ready for my meeting with Tracy at 3 o'clock this afternoon. I hope this little video was helpful, and we'll see you next time.